week 6 update. Week 6 was a good week. Why was week 6 a good week? Because this is the first week we went over to give us over 100% of replacement income. So this was a busy week, y'all. So thankful. So this week we did 120% of replacement income. Big milestone. Most of that was because of increased wholesale work, dealer work. So here's my breakdown. 45% of that was dealer work. 44% was retail, and then 11% was subcontracting for other dent companies. Great week. It seems like wholesale work for dealers is gonna be a bigger chunk of my revenue than I thought it would be. Thanking the Lord for providing and just pumped. What am I gonna do moving forward? Any changes? Right now, I need to get more organized in my head. I need to get my days that I'm going to the wholesale accounts nailed down so I can get that more efficient and everyone knows when I'm coming. I got to get that nailed down and then start scheduling my retail jobs more efficiently. All right, y'all. Appreciate you watching. See you next time.